Hello, everybody. This is Brad here on this food review. It's M&M's Crunchy Cookie candy bar. And it shows the crunchy cookie packaging on the side. And I'm going to open it and see what's in it. And I'll give you the taste. And this what it looks like right here on my thumb. Yeah, finger. Let's see what it tastes like. Well, it has the cookie coating in the middle, and it's pretty good. It's about the same as regular M&Ms. The M&Ms is small. It's like candy M&Ms, but this one has the cookie coating right here in the middle. So if you like the video, thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. All right, bye-bye. Also, comment, like, comment, and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.